I'm going to rinse my brush. And then, I'm trying to do this upside down, so if I get things backwards, I hope you'll forgive me. But I started to turn it the way it would be good for me, and then I realized that you would be looking at it upside down. So, I'm going to try to do it upside down. Okay, I'm going to look for my oval wash. Get my trusty thing full of brushes here. And there's one. It's not a good one, but it is one. I'm going to use my watercolor oval wash. It's a really, really soft brush. Now these came with my Global palette, and they're really, really soft, and I've been lately using the really large one for base coating and doing some things that I normally would do with a stronger brush, and I'm looking for it. Can't find it, but I'm really pleased with that, so that's what I'm going to use. I like the softness. Okay, so up here on my palette, I know you can't see it, but I have still some of this pigment out and on my palette, and I just keep adding water to it because, you know, we're just using washes. And then if it gets a little too wet, then I'll just go dip it in my glaze medium and add a little glue back into it. Okay, so let me get it side loaded and pinch out a little bit from that side so that it's truly side loaded. Okay, and then wash in. I'm going to lift this up just a little bit so that I lose the glare. I'm going to wash in these mountains. This brush is really nice for this. I really like the softness. I have more control. Okay, so now we see just a little bit of difference between our sky and our mountains. I think I got a mountain up here too. Okay. And you want to start from the bottom and go to the top. I hope I did that just now when I was showing you. Okay. And I don't think that I can do this actual side load upside down, but I'm going to try. Because we do want to kind of define the edges of our mountains. Let me smooth this out. So I'm going to go back and just try to pull, you know, a definite edge up here in the mountains. And I'm not doing a very good job of that, am I? Let me get a little better load. Bear with me. Okay, I'm going to put some glaze on one side of my brush, and then load the wash on the other side. And what that glaze will do is push back the color so that I truly have it side loaded. And let's see. I come up here. Now, I'm afraid I can't do a really good job of this upside down. Hopefully, kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just defining these mountains, putting some in the front and some in the back. And in a few minutes, then I will probably turn this right side up and do a better job of it. Okay. And then after that, we need to dry our tile and put a coat of glaze medium on it.